Hey guys, welcome back. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo. It's November down here in the motherland of Mexico. It's getting a little chilly, so it's hoodie season. And it's no shade November, so how long is your beard? Let me know down in the comments down below. I'm a little late to the whole camera thing. I have no idea how to use a camera. I have no idea what ISO, I have no idea what the shutter, I have no idea some other numbers that are in there. I kind of know what the aperture is because of the iPhone. I kind of know that. So I got this little bad boy. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So as you can see, Canon M50, small, compact. First impressions of this tiny camera is that it is super duper light. Like, this camera is really light. Now I know why people like vlog with it. The flip out LCD screen so you can see yourself, when you're vlogging or whatnot, even when you're recording, which is main purpose of this camera is to record these YouTube videos. Everybody talks about this camera as their starter camera, so why not? But like I said, very light, very compact. The lens is the kit lens. It's 15 to 45 millimeter. Like I said, I'm new to this camera scene. I have no idea what that means. Compared to this other camera that I have, it is the Canon EOS Kiss X4. This is actually my wife's. As you can see, you can tell the difference. Pretty difference in size, pretty difference in weight. I like this little one. It's really light and compact, easy to hold, easy to carry around. Even my son can do it, but I'm not gonna let him run around with this little camera that I just bought. First impressions, it's very light. I can't get over how light this camera is. This is a very light camera. The buttons seem okay to work with. I have no idea what these two buttons are here. No idea. If you know what those are, let me know down in the comments down below. I know what the info button is. You have your microphone input on this side right here, right there, and on the other side you have your data transfer and your HDMI. What I've noticed about this and what I've read about this and what I've seen on other YouTubers is this little button right here. It is like a Wi-Fi transmitter, so when I take photos or videos or whatnot on here, I can just like shoot them right over to my phone, upload it to Instagram or Twitter or whatever, which I'll leave the descriptions down below so you can follow me there. So that is awesome. That is awesome. Like, you don't have to buy a special SD card so you can transfer. You don't have to have special software, I'm guessing, or you might need a software. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. I'm telling you, I'm new to this scene. I'm new. So, if I want to do this YouTube thing right, I got to stop shooting off my phone, which is the 12 Pro. I got to stop doing that. I got to actually have a camera. I don't know what a lot of these buttons are. I don't know what this MFN button does here. I know this one is to record, and this one is to take photos, but other than that, I don't know. But first impressions, light, compact, very light. I can't get enough of how light it is. This thing right here, what I was noticing is this thing right here, it's got a little sensor in here. Nobody talks about this sensor. This little sensor is so that it detects when you're there, and you can see through the little peephole. I don't know what that is, but you can see through there, which is awesome. And I didn't know that this thing had a flash. From what I've seen and what I've heard, this is not like a picture taking camera. It's more on the video recording. I can't edit on 4K because my computer is a MacBook Air 2017, so I cannot edit 4K video because it slows down my computer a lot. So 1080p, I will be doing a lot of 1080p, and probably some vlogs. But let me know down in the comments down below what kind of camera you guys got. You guys gotten this camera? Do you love this camera? Do you hate this camera? Why? Let me know. Hit that like button if you guys like photography and videography. And remember, I'm Danny, your friendly Tiger Beagle. See you guys in the next one. Peace.